आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, it is given that a factory makes a tennis racket and a cricket bat. A tennis racket takes 1.5 hours of machine time and 3 hours of craftsman time. So let the tennis racket, that is let the racket be equal to X. Now in the same question, it also says that the cricket bat takes 3 hours of machine time and 1 hour of craftsman time. So let the bat be equal to Y. Now we'll be making the table for both machine as well as craftsman time. So here it is machine and craft time for X and Y, that is for racket and bat. So for racket, the machine time is 1.5 hours and the craftsman time is 3 hours, and for bat the machine time is 3 hours and the craftsman time is 1 hour. Both of them are having a profit of rupees 20 for racket and rupees 10 for bat. Now according to the given table, we'll be making out the equation. Now we are also given that the machine works for 42 hours and the craftsman works for 24 hours. So the machine works for 42 hours and the craftsman works for 24 hours. So according to this, we have 1.5x plus 3y is less than or equal to 42, and the second equation is 3x plus y is less than or equal to 24. We'll simplify this equation. We'll get 3x plus 6y is less than or equal to 84. So x plus 2y is less than or equal to 28. This is our first equation and this one is our second equation as it is already simplified. We'll find out the coordinates of both of the equation. So taking x and y in consideration, x, y, if we take x equals to 0, we'll have y as 14. If we take y equals to 7, we'll have the value of x as 14. And in the second equation, that is this one, we take x and y. If we take the value of x as 2, we have y as 18, and if we take the value of y as 0, we have x as 8. We'll plot all these coordinates in the graph. So here is the graph. We'll plot this coordinate according to the question given. So the equation 3x plus y is less than or equal to 24. This is our second equation and the coordinates of this are 2, 18 and 8, 0. So this one is 2 comma 18 and this one is 8 comma 0, and this is our second equation and the coordinates of this equation are 0, 14 and 14, 7. This is 0, 14, here it is 0, 14 and this one is 14 comma 7. We'll be making straight line of both of these coordinates and we get the point of intersection as 4 comma 12. So we'll find out the maximum of profit on these 3 points, that is 0 comma 14, 4 comma 12 and 8 comma 0. So to find out the maximum profit, we have the equation of profit as max z is equal to 20x plus 10y, and we have the coordinates as 0, 4. Then the intersection coordinate was 4, 12. Sorry, it is 0, 14. It is 4, 12. And the last one was 8, 0. So in case of 0, 14, we have the value of z is equals to 140 rupees. In case of 4, 12, we have the value of z is equals to 4 into 20, we get 80. and 10 into 12 we get 120. So we have the value of Z as 200 rupees. And in the last case, that is 80, we have the value of Z as 160 rupees. So we see that the maximum profit is in the case of 412. So we know we'll get from here that the rackets must be 4 in number and bat must be 12 in number to obtain the maximum profit of rupees 200.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।